Hello, welcome to the Trade Ideas Market Recap for Wednesday, September 17th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of the trading room. This is the address to get into the room, and you can log in with your Facebook or your Twitter account. A very quiet day for me today. A couple of reasons. I had the movers come over, sort of solidifying or finalizing the rest of my stuff coming in from Vancouver. So I was kind of busy with that on and off for the day. And the other reason, though, is that it was FOMC day, minutes at 2 o'clock, and typically I don't trade that much on that day anyway. Certainly not for the hour and the hour afterwards. It just gets a little too frantic. And we'll take a look. We'll take a look at the SPY right now. Here it is at 2 o'clock. Here's the 5-minute chart. So you can see here's the action. So up, down, up, and then it looked like it was going to rally, a little bit of a pullback, a rally, and then a pullback again. So all this action around here, and even the lead up, if you're long or short of stock, you can get whipped out very easily. And so typically I don't like to trade around this area. And I know I did do some trade. I did a couple of trades only. One kind of inconsequential. Let's take a look at it. I think it was Pfizer. Yeah, this came up on an old custom, one of my old customs. Let's see, where did it come up? It was early too. I go all the way down to the bottom here. I think I see Pfizer at 936 at 1020. And the only reason I took this, so the alert was right around this area. The only reason I took that is that usually Pfizer is not that dramatic a stock to trade, and I was kind of hoping, and by dramatic I mean it doesn't usually have wild whipping action. I don't usually like to take trades early on in the day, and that came at 936. I actually waited for it to get to 3025. Took it right here and held it for quite a long time. Got as high as 3036. I was hoping for just kind of well, actually this action here, I was hoping it would happen a little earlier and maybe, get 20, 30, 40 cents out of it. But it didn't, that didn't happen. And as I came back down to 3030, I decided to exit the trade. Again, I had people in and out of the house all day, so decided to get out of the trade right here for a very small gain. The other one was not bad, and that was Owens, Illinois Incorporated. And I had noticed this in the pre-market, and you can see that here's where it here's where it closed yesterday at 31.45, and it opened down here at 30. But when I looked at the daily chart. I'm sorry, that's not the daily chart. When I look at the daily chart, you can see right here bottom of this is at 3011, and it was already down through this area. So I thought, this is one of those ones that could really just basically drop all day long. And that's in essence what happened. The problem is I kind of chickened out, and I entered the trade at this is a short, of course. I entered the trade, and I actually got this on my custom alert too. If I go back here, I can see OI. Come on now. Could have sworn it was on here. There it is. OI 1020 2981. So I was really late on this, and because by all rights I should have shorted it right in this bar here. I was late on it, but I continued to watch it, and to me it just had that look because of the daily, had no support whatsoever. I decided to take the short at 29.49. It went down here to 29.21. I'm hoping it would keep going down, but as it popped back up, I decided to take cover the rest at 29.29. Kind of broke what I was really intending to do, which was to hold it all day as an all-day short because, down here it got down to 28.43, almost a dollar, well over a dollar. But again, I kind of chickened out and I had some distractions. So I guess I can't be too critical of myself. So that's it. Only a couple of trades. FOMC now is behind us. And let me just bring back the cover. Sorry, it was a rather rush one today, and but I think going forward I'm set. I've got my TV, I've got my bed, got my couch, all that stuff is now here, so I'm not living out of boxes anymore. So hope to see you in the room tomorrow, and good trading to you.